Good morning, children. Today we will discuss plane shapes. Already in my previous video, I have discussed about the four plane shapes. What are they? Let us recapitulate them. The first one is square. A square has four sides. A square has how many sides? A square has four sides and four corners. A square has four sides and four corners, and its all sides are equal. It has four sides and four corners, and its all sides are equal. Second one, see, it has three sides and three corners. So, it is the shape of a triangle. A triangle has three sides and three corners. Its sides may or may not be equal. It has three sides. The sides may be equal or may not be equal. The third one is, it is a rectangle. It also has four sides and four corners. It is a rectangle. It has four sides and four corners. Its opposite sides are equal. That means this side is equal to, just opposite of this line is this one, parallel line, and the parallel of this line is this line. So in a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. Now this shape is known as a circle. It is a circle. It has no sides and no corners. A circle has no sides and no corners. It is drawn with a curved line. In my next video, afterwards I will explain you the types of lines. So, it is drawn with a curved line. That means these lines are straight. These are all straight lines. These are drawn with the straight lines, these shapes. But only the circle is not drawn with a straight line. It is drawn with a curved line. Now, examples, very common examples of square. We can say Ludo board. You can easily find in your home carom board. The front where you play carom, that board looks like a square. Its all sides are equal. Chess board, it also looks like a square. Then handkerchief, you use the hanky, that always looks like a square. Its all sides are equal. Next one is a triangle. Hanger. Hanger is very common example of a triangle. You can see a hanger at your home also, where your father and mother hang your dresses. That looks like a triangle. Now set square. In geometry box, you can find the set square. It looks like a triangle. Then side of a mountain or pyramid or slice of a pizza all looks like a triangle. It has three sides and three corners. And this one is a rectangle. A rectangle has four sides and four corners, but its opposite sides are equal, like a scale. A scale looks like a rectangle. Then our national flag, newspaper, your drawing page where you draw, those pages looks like rectangle. The last one is a circle. Ring. Ring looks like a circle. Then bangle. Bangle looks like a circle. Tire. Wheel. They all looks like a circle. Now, we will discuss here few fill in the blanks from these plane shapes. Whatever I discussed, on basis on that, we can frame some questions. So, what can be done? Suppose a square has four equal sides. In the blank, what we have to write? A dash has four equal sides. So, which shape has four equal sides? A square has four equal sides. Next one, a dash has three sides. Which shape has three sides? Yes, a triangle. A triangle has three sides. Its sides may or may not be equal. A dash has no corners. Which shape has no corners? Yes, circle. A circle has no corners. A rectangle has dash sides and dash corners. So, a rectangle has how many sides? A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Hanger is an example of a hanger looks like a, yes, hanger looks like what? Hanger looks like a triangle. Hanger looks like a triangle. Next, a tire looks like a yes, a tire looks like a circle. Or in a dash, opposite sides are equal. So where it is opposite sides are equal? Yes, in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So these are some of the fill in the blanks you can frame from here. See, here I can frame a square has dash equal sides. So I can make here also blank. A square has dash equal sides. A square has 4 equal sides. A triangle has dash sides. I can make here blank also. A square has 3 sides. Then a circle has dash corner. I can make here blank also. That means a circle has no corners. I can frame like this also. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. In a rectangle, dash sides are equal, so opposite sides are equal. So in a rectangle, I can make blank here also. So opposite sides are equal, I can make. A tire looks like a circle. I can give a dash looks like a circle. Any one example you can put here. Any one example of circle you can put here. So hanger is an example of a triangle. I can give here blank and I may ask you write any name. That means dash is an example of a triangle. Hanger is an example of a triangle, or set square looks like a triangle. Any one example you can put here. So I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you, children.